Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This is the answer to Chapter 21, problem number 34 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem presents us with a reaction and asks how we would use a protecting group to carry out that reaction. And so remember, a protecting group is used when there are multiple functional groups present in a molecule. It's used to prevent the undesired group from reacting while a reaction is performed at the desired functionality. And then ideally, it's easily removed to recover your original functionality that you wanted to keep intact. And so in this case, we're going to protect the ketone so that we can perform a reaction at the ester. To protect the ketone, we can use an acetal protecting group. We can use ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, and we can put that on using tosic acid. Tosic acid. The result of that reaction is going to be our protected ketone. So our ester is unaffected, and the ketone now, rather than a ketone, is this acetal that we formed. So there's our acetal. Again, our ester is unaffected. And so now we can go ahead and perform our actual desired reaction at the ester. We're going to use 2 equivalents of methyl lithium. So 2 equivalents of methyl lithium, and then we can do a water workup. And so that's going to get us the desired product that we want, but of course it's still protected. So at this point, what we have is this. So we've carried out our reaction at the ester that we wanted to carry out, and we still have this acetyl protecting group here. So we just need to get rid of the acetal, and that will be our final product. And fortunately, the acetal is easily cleaved with a little bit of acid. And so treatment with acid is going to get us back to our ketone, and that will be our final product. Okay. Yeah, so remember, a protecting group strategy is basically performing a reaction to block a functional group that you don't want to react in a system where there are multiple functional groups present. And then you can perform the reaction only where you want it performed, and then you can unblock the functionality that you blocked earlier. And so that's what we do here by making an acetal, carrying out our desired reaction at the ester, and then removing the acetal. And that's the answer to Chapter 21, problem number 34.